I'm an ant, I march, larch in line, carrying crumbs I feel just fine. Tiny feet, but strong and spry, I dance on dirt as time goes by. I'm a bird, I flap and sing, swooping low, then soaring wing. Feathers bright and voice so clear, I dance on air from far too near. We are fish, we glide and glide, swishing tails in water wide. Bubbles rise as we twist and spin, we dance beneath with fins so thin. I'm a butterfly, soft and light, wings like petals, bold and bright. I flutter by with a dainty prance, in garden air I love to dance. With a bee with a buzzy tune, zipping fast by flower and bloom. With pollen dust I buzz and sway, I dance